provides comfort, relaxation, stress relief, gentle motion, and supports better posture for daily seating needs. My today's video is about top 5 best rocking chair that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Suunyn rocking chair. This high-back rocking chair delivers exceptional comfort and reliable support for long hours of relaxation. Its 30-inch tall backrest and sturdy 4-panel construction provide excellent lumbar and neck support, while the impressive 380 pounds weight capacity ensures stability for users of different sizes. The smooth rocking motion feels secure and well-balanced thanks to its 4-point anti-rollover design and carefully engineered rocking arc, making it ideal for worry-free indoor or outdoor use. Built from premium HDPE material, this chair is highly durable and resistant to sun, rain, humidity, fading, cracking, and peeling, making it perfect for all-weather outdoor environments. Maintenance is effortless, requiring only simple cleaning with soap and water. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, with pre-assembled parts and clear instructions saving valuable time. Its elegant wood-grain finish adds a stylish touch that blends seamlessly with patios, porches, sunrooms, or living rooms. Backed by a 3-year warranty, it offers lasting peace of mind and dependable quality. Now our second product is Aegisun rocking chair. This rocking chair cushion set is a well-designed upgrade for both indoor and outdoor seating comfort. With a precise 44 by 19 by 4 inch size, it fits most standard rocking chairs and Adirondack chairs, making it versatile for use on patios, porches, gardens, living rooms, and backyards. The ergonomic shape is thoughtfully designed to follow the natural curves of the body, offering strong support for the neck, back, and tailbone, which helps reduce pressure and improve long-sitting comfort. Made from durable 300 GSM high-density Oxford fabric with a TPU waterproof coating, the cushions perform well against light rain, UV exposure, and everyday wear while maintaining color and shape over time. The hybrid filling of 70D foam shreds and silk cotton delivers a perfect balance of softness and support without flattening quickly. Non-slip backing and secure fastening ties keep the cushions firmly in place during use. Easy maintenance and simple care instructions add convenience. Overall, it offers comfort, durability, and reliable outdoor performance. Our third product is Ever Advanced rocking chair. This outdoor rocking chair is designed for both comfort and practicality, making it a great choice for patios, backyards, camping, and outdoor relaxation. The sturdy heavy-duty frame combined with padded fabric ensures a comfortable seating experience with no seat sag, allowing smooth and relaxing rocking for long periods. Its portable design is a major advantage, as it folds quickly and stores compactly in the included carry bag, making transportation and storage simple and convenient. Built with a durable powder-coated steel frame, the chair supports up to 400 pounds, offering strong stability and long-lasting use. Additional features like side pockets and a built-in cup holder add convenience by keeping essentials within easy reach. The hard armrests provide excellent support, making it easier to sit down and stand up, especially helpful for elderly users and larger individuals. With its oversized dimensions and solid build, this rocking chair delivers a perfect balance of strength, comfort, and portability for outdoor use. Now number 4, Bulxyard rocking chair. This rocking chair offers a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and modern design suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The 5-inch thick cushion provides exceptional softness and ergonomic support, allowing the body to relax naturally with a more spacious seating experience compared to many similar chairs. Built with PE wicker over a strong powder-coated steel frame, it ensures long-lasting durability and weather resistance. The cushion covers are designed to maintain their color for up to 2,000 hours, helping the chair retain its attractive look even after extended outdoor exposure. The smooth rocking mechanism operates at a safe 27-degree angle, while silent rubber components ensure a quiet and peaceful rocking experience without noise disruption. Its stylish, minimalist design fits beautifully in living rooms, patios, or gardens, making it highly versatile. Easy assembly in about 25 minutes and simple maintenance add extra convenience, making this chair a practical and comfortable choice for everyday relaxation. And our last choice is GCI Outdoor Rocking Chair. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker is a highly practical and comfortable chair designed for outdoor relaxation in any setting. Whether you are sitting by a campfire, watching a sports game, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, this chair delivers smooth rocking motion on almost any surface thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology with built-in shock absorbers. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds while maintaining a lightweight design of only 11.8 pounds, making it easy to carry and transport. Its breathable mesh backrest improves airflow, keeping you cool during warm weather, while the solid armrests and integrated beverage holder add extra convenience for long hours of use. Setup is quick and effortless with EasyFold technology, allowing you to open or close the chair in seconds. Compact folded dimensions make storage simple, making it ideal for travel and outdoor activities. Overall, it combines comfort, portability, and smart design for a superior outdoor seating experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.